Hi there. In this video, I'm covering how to make money by creating and selling your own digital products. Whether you have expertise to share through courses, ebooks you can write, or digital assets you can create, this is a powerful way to build passive income. Let's explore the platforms, process, and potential of this online business model.
Whether it is ebooks or courses, maybe printables or even stock photos, you can leverage platforms like Gumroad.com, Etsy.com, or Teachable.com, where you can get familiar with how to sell your products. So basically you choose your topic or a niche, you create a course online, record your lesson, create a PDF, and then upload the course online, and you can host your course on platforms like a Teachable, Skillshare, or even a Kajabi. Then you should promote the product, and you can use the social media, email marketing, and even YouTube to attract the students. The pros of this business model is high profit margins, since once you have the product done, you can sell it over and over again with 100% margin, and it's also a great source for a passive income. On the other hand, the con is that it requires upfront effort to create the product. So this is a bit advanced way of making money online, but if you have experience or you have some specific expertise that you can leverage and you can help people with some specific problem, go ahead, create your own product and sell it. In case you don't have such a specific knowledge or expertise, maybe it would be better to start as an affiliate marketer to learn how to get the traffic to your website and views for your YouTube channel, and only then you can get to the next level and sell your product online.
What type of digital product could you create? An ebook about your hobby? A course about your professional skills? If you're not ready to create your own products yet, check out my video on affiliate marketing first. It's a great way to learn about traffic and marketing before creating your own offers. Remember, while creating digital products takes upfront effort, the long-term passive income potential makes it worth considering for anyone with valuable knowledge or skills. See you in the next video.